Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to install a TikTok application in your PC. So how to do this? Let's start. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, for install any application or any games in your PC, you require the emulator. You can go to your Google search engine, and a lot of emulators, emulator for PCs list. You can check a lot of best emulators like Nox Player and Ballistics and furthermore. So I recommended that Andy is a free emulator, and you can provide the latest Android version. I have already used it. Is a excellent and performance. So I have already installed in my Android mobile, in my PC. So just open it, and you can go to your Google Play Store in the emulator and log in your email address in the Google Play Store, and after that search box simply search at TikTok, and these applications appear on front you, and you can install in your PC in emulator, and you can also use this application in your PC through emulator. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.